So this is ideas for my fursuit. I put my flag right here. Oops, I forgot I didn't put the little thing on the side of it. Click that. These ears, I don't really know, but I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna add this color for the ears. If you don't remember like what animals I put in the suit, I put a Komodo dragon, a bill stork,
Patagonian Mara.
So if you can see it, I'm not really that good at drawing. I'm still kind of learning, but I'll put my flag right on. I'll put my flag right here. So yeah, that's it. Bye.